Menteri rang ba kejela Konrad ki sangma hak arpnyo trik jemang ulaong baka Sorkar jela kala ai kajing mynjur ya kajing penben renti nak benta gitu kibadai hok ban pendait iki nembot ni nemplate hai ki kali Sorkar si benta ban tehlakam ya culture jong kajing le bahe bahan ni VIP culture. Ulaong baka Sorkar kala shim ya kanika rai hadien bakala dapwan ra ya ka SOP. Hakabaya day berkajing pendan ya ki siren bat kilat hapo ki kali. Habakren siya kilat patay kubor Konrad hadien kajingalang kakinhun menteri Konrad ulaong. Pikin mau bangilawan ra ya ka SOP hakabangila kedaw syay hakabaya day berkajing pendan ya ki jay siren kilat bat ki waypat ki VIP culture ki bangis ngau kya shibun. Katana transport kelada ban shim ya karai hakabaya day bat kibala ban pendat iki nembot haki kali Sorkar ulaong haba benrap baka nika long shi benta jung ki senjam bala shim da ka Sorkar ban tehlakam ya ka VIP culture. Kajing penbena ka baar kadai kajing penbena ka besuk bha kadai kajing te kyndon ni kajing pendan kami ki nembot haki kali Sorkar ong Konrad. Ulaong katna transport kan sabatai syai yano ansya ban pendan kami kini embot bat halor kani katanan menta kasngi kala IT akathop jong kini brio hakajaka jong kerdan ki bala ban pendan ya kini embot bat hakanu karukam kani kanembot kade ban long ong Konrad. Menteri rang ba ula kedauru bakani kathop bala ai jing menjur ka kinthop ikitanat beper ka Sorkar kabakan thop iki he officer ki babat haki kerdan beper haka Sorkar bat ki yeng kasyari bat ki kerdan bela itu diki an naka Sorkar pedeng ula benram.
Regarding the regulation of the use of name boards on official vehicles. As you recall that we had come out with an amendment on an SOP, where we had mentioned about the different sirens and lights and other VIP culture that was something that we were all concerned about. In that we had come out with an order saying that the transport department will define on who can be allowed to use name boards and not. And based on that decision, the transport department today had given the list of different individuals, rather positions, on who can use these name boards and who cannot, and what will be the format of the name boards. So therefore, there has to be a standard format as per designation, which will be now used, and that list was today approved, and the list is there with us, but it's too long for me to mention all the details. But mostly it is the different officials and the different positions at the government level and in the judiciary mostly, and in the administration. So these are the three main areas which and of course certain statutory positions from the central government perspective.